Hey guys, Coach Rich here, long time no see. I'm gonna tell you a secret of how to effectively communicate for enhancing your relationships and your career. Let's go. Welcome to Richmond Language Academy, where we discuss and learn languages, culture, and personal development. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to give you the latest updates of my videos. Whether you communicate with people face-to-face or behind the camera, like I'm doing now, there's no doubt that communication plays a vital role in human life. It not only assists in facilitating the process of information and knowledge, but also helps people improve their relationships with others. Hence, the importance of communication cannot be underestimated. In fact, many people believe that the quality of our life would depend on the quality of our communication. Communication, particularly verbal communication, is not just about the words we speak. Here's why. Research says that when people meet and communicate, what influences them to change their feelings, do something different, or affect them the most is usually not the selection of words they say, but how they say the words that matter. This is why most business people, negotiators, and marketers spend an enormous amount of time learning not just on what to say, but more importantly, how to say to get the response they want from people. Words in human communication represents only 7% of what actually influences someone to change how they feel. That's only 7%. 38% of how we influence people would be voice quality. So what is voice quality? Well, it consists of tonality, or the tone of your voice; timbre, the quality of your voice; volume is how loud or quiet the sound is; and tempo is the rate of speed of how we talk and speak. So voice quality can radically affect how we feel, isn't it? If someone says, "I love you," versus "I love you," different feeling, different experience, just by the quality of the voice. Now, what affects people even more, which represents 55%, is physiology, or body language. This would consist of your facial expressions, muscular tension, meaning if your body is relaxed or not, and gestures or body movement of your hands and head. So, if someone looks at you like this and say, "I love you," well, you would think that the voice sounds okay, but the face gives you a different feedback. This is because our brain is trained to look for what we call incongruencies. Incongruency is when the words, the voice, and the body don't match, and people can notice that. So, even if you say, "Sure," people will notice that the inflection doesn't match the word. Compare that to "sure." Even if people don't notice it consciously, they will still notice it unconsciously. Therefore, you got to communicate congruently, making sure that the words matches your voice and the body language in order to communicate effectively. So this concludes our video on how to communicate effectively. If you want to learn more and drastically enhance your communication skills, I also offer intensive online coaching, which I put the link in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe so I can continue making good content for you. Thank you, and see you next time.